Hello, Davita here. Welcome back to Abstract and Flow. I am back to do another video. Surprise. This time I'm using another brand or different brand paint. Arteza. I've never used this before in the cloud pearl technique. So I did a practice tile. You know me, right? Let me show you. Oh my God. It pearled up. Like, it was beautiful. Hold on. Let me get my glasses so I can see what you see. Okay. Here it is. Still wet, so hopefully it don't move. Let's pan the camera down. Now, this is the silver, Arteza silver. Look how that pearled up so nicely. See that? So we are going to use this tonight in our pour. And then, of course, an old favorite, Artist Loft Black. That's it, just Artist Loft Black. This was mixed 1 ounce of Artist Loft, 1 ounce of Liquitex. I didn't use any Floetrol. So, yeah, 1 and 1. And then I use about, I don't know, another ounce of water. So for this one, I used a different Liquitex. So let me show you. I purchased some Liquitex in the with the gray label, and this one is Iridescent. I'm sorry, the camera's backward, but it's Iridescent Medium. So that's what did this with the Artist Loft Black, the Liquitex, and water. Okay? So what I'm basically doing, I'm just trying different ingredients with different paints to see, what's going to give us, big, juicy, fat pearls. That's what we all want. So I'm going to try, and I'm going to show you and share with you, and we'll see what happens. So I'm just hoping that my test tiles end up on that canvas. That's would be awesome. So I am using 20 by 24 canvas tonight. My base is the house paint recipe, not the white Floetrol recipe. It's over there. Okay. These glasses are for reading, not for seeing far away. So I'm like, what does that say? Oh, yeah. Okay. Don't mind me. So let's show you the consistency. Let's pan down. Here we go. Okay. So, see that? Very thin. No mound. Well, actually, it is leaving a little bit of a trace. I guess it could be thinner. But it tested well. I'm not going to change it. Once I do my tests, I don't change what's in the cup. I don't care what it looks like. All right. Now, I am thinking outside the box. And I don't know how this is going to look, but we are going to give it a try. So I'm going to use the Artist Loft Black, the Arteza's Silver. Wait for it. And this. My split cup. Oh. I have no idea what we're going to get. But as long as we get the paint on the canvas and we stretch it, I'm hoping we get something nice. So I'm going to pan you down to the canvas, get my base coat on, and we're going to try this split cup. Okay. Let's put this here. Okay, so here we are at the canvas. I am going to spread this out. Here we go, fingers crossed. I'll make a puddle right in the center. Okay, we're all covered. All right, now, I'm not exactly sure the pattern I want to use to get the most out of our stretch. But I do want to go off this way. This way and then, or maybe this way and then, okay, ow. Okay, we're going to just put it on the canvas and see what happens. See if we can get everything to come out together. Well, I wasn't planning on doing a ring pour. That's out of habit. It really is. My hand just did what it wanted to do. Let's torch it. Well, since we got that little imperfection, let's just go ahead and put a line through it. What do you think? I'm nervous. Okay. All right, that's enough. Let's see what happens. That wasn't what I was planning on doing, but we got paint on the canvas. So let's move this around. Let's go off this corner first. I want to come back. Okay. I think I should have taken a little bit more paint off, but my pearls were starting to stretch and I didn't want that, so I stopped. So let's see what happens. Well, will you look at that? I am so happy with this one. Look at how that silver just kind of shimmers. Oh, wow. Now, I didn't think I was going to get too much action in this area. I need to work on my composition. But I like the little black lines, if you can see that going through, and then down over. Let's see if I can bring you in. Right there. That long little black line, little vein, surrounded by those pearls. And of course, up top, yeah, we got a lot of action up top. So I am really happy. Let's bring you up to me. I'm really happy with that one. This is actually a gift for someone. And their decor is very subtle. You know, some man. Gray and white and... Anyway. TMI. Okay, so I really like the way it turned out. I think I may do it again and try to work on my composition a little better and getting, you know, I like the minimalist and the negative space on this one. But I want to, you know, I want to expand it. I want to go bigger. So that's what I'm going to try to do the next time. Probably using the same colors so I can give the gift to the person 2 paintings. We'll see. We'll see. So, you know, Valentine's Day is coming up. So we'll see what happens. Okay. Thank you so much for spending a little time with me. Sorry for the glare. As usual, stay safe, stay blessed. See you next pour.